Hey, I'm Mateo with WTI. And this Ganiza 5-in-1 Immersion Blender is one of those versatile kitchen tools I didn't know I needed, but now I cannot imagine myself being without it. I honestly give it a 10 out of 10. My wife uses it almost every day and loves how powerful it is. She was especially impressed with the food processor attachment. It chopped vegetables in about 4 seconds on low to medium speed, which is a huge time saver. Let's be honest, chopping veggies by hand is one of the last enjoyable kitchen tasks. So this has been a game changer. We also use it to grate cheese, and it only took a few seconds on speed 1. So it's perfect for pizza night. The milk frother has elevated our morning coffee routine, and the whisk attachment has made whipping up homemade salad dressings super quick and easy. Switching between speeds is effortless, but what really surprised us is just how powerful the blender is, even on the lowest setting. This immersion blender looks and feels very sturdy. It looks like it can handle any heavy duty blending without any problem. This would make an excellent gift for any family member or friend who enjoys cooking. I highly recommend it. And that is my point of view.